Welcome back, YouTube. We're Xhausted channel, and today we're going to take this little Harbor Freight engine and we're going to do an exhaust modification. So we'll go ahead and get this muffler kicked off and we'll be right back in just a minute.
And it's brand new out the box.
Oh yeah, brand new. Never been started.
It hadn't even been started yet.
Wait a minute. Way too fast. Okay. We're going to get the decibel reading on this little engine as is. And then we're going to take this muffler off.
Yeah, unscripted, ladies and gentlemen. Unscripted. Yeah. We're winning. Yeah. But we're going to start this mug up. Hang on.
This is the first crank.
Hang on.
I got to...
We are... You want to do min-max or...
Yeah.
We'll do max.
Yeah, min-max. You good?
I'm good if you good.
First pull. Nothing. Nothing. Oh, gas is off.
Oh, that's probably why.
Right.
All we've done is put gas and oil in it.
Well, we stirred the oil up in it.
That's about it.
We accomplished something. Oh, yeah,
well, she's
hit.
jumping now. There. It's quiet. Look at that.
It's got a little shake to it, but... I think some of it might be where it's shaking on the table. Yeah, it's not that.
Yeah.
Let me get it on the floor where I can sit on it.
Yeah. Where you can sit on it. Yeah. I love it.
Because it's got to not rattle, you know, you gotta get a good read in here. According to our equipment, they're louder than they said it was supposed to be.
Well, they said idle. What did it say idle?
That thing says 89.7 max.
You're supposed to see that.
That's what it says in the paper. Oh, yeah, well, don't show them that.
I didn't.
All right.
I have.
We're gonna get rid of this muffler and see if we can't make some big time horsepower.
Let's see what it is without the muffler.
Yeah, let's cut the muffler off of it. And then
you want to cut it or you want to bolt it?
Oh, I'm gonna unbolt it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna cut the muffler off the pipe and then we'll modify it from there.
Yeah.
But we'll check it with just the pipe.
Yeah, why not?
The shouty. Might throw a little fire out of it or something. Yeah.
Alright, let's take this thing off.
Alright.
Alright, we're back, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see,
About to cut something.
about to cut it right on off.
There's a piece of pipe.
Off with its head.
Let's crank it again.
Let's get her crunk.
Let's crank it again. Alright. Now you gotta watch your eyes because it might throw some dust.
Oh, yeah.
Hole, so.
I'm about 2 feet away. No, more than 2 feet. About 3 feet away.
On. Barely any different.
Yeah.
3 decibels.
Yeah.
That muffler is worthless.
Worthless, yeah.
Alright.
Sounds better, to be honest with you.
Yeah, it sounds like a piece of equipment.
Yeah,
now.
it sounds way better in my opinion. Oh, look at this horny mug. You're going to cut it throat. You're gonna have to cut it up here.
I'm gonna get it where it's right. You're gonna have to tape because I'm gonna have to do some measuring.
All right. Well, we're gonna do some measuring, some little afro engineering, a little pipe clamp, and we'll be right back with you. Oh yeah, I'm wearing safety glasses because I don't like grinders that well. But Steven has cut up the whole truck, the white truck. If you've been following along with that, if you haven't, okay,
and I did it.
Go back on the playlist and check it out. This thing's awesome.
Safely.
Yeah. This white truck has no radiator. Check that out. None. Not a single one. Go wonder where it's at. If you want to figure it out, go check out the playlist.
Is this a life hack?
Wow, pipe cleaner. I guess that is a life hack. Learn stuff new every day.
Size is this size. So then I'll take this and cut it off little
and make it
slide it up.
Yeah, cut it off then.
Should be right?
All right. Well, we're gonna try that and
be right back.
Be right back.
Beauty.
Ain't it though?
Ain't she a beauty?
Look at that. Look at that.
Put a little clamp on there.
Man, should have called this the horny garage. Putting horns on everything around here.
It's gonna be a pretty horny place if I'm here. Now, let's see what kind of decibels we're turning out of this.
Guys, if y'all don't understand that reference at all, go back and look at the Pro Charger video. The tuba charger. Yeah.
Or the exhaust one. Or
yes.
Is that all the same one? Exhaust tuba tip.
Yeah, exhaust tuba tip.
Mm-hmm.
And then, well, I guess they really hadn't seen the Pro Charger video, actually.
Mm-mm.
Because, we lost that one. Then we recorded it and hadn't put it out yet.
Again.
Oh, hang on. We're scientists here. Hang on. Alright, I'm running. Oh, man.
Runs better. Oh, yeah. Gotta do a light soft of this.
Oh yeah, you got to. That thing is spitting.
I think she's throwing some nice stuff.
That thing was 109.
I'm gonna cut this far light on.
Alright. We're gonna I know how crappy the GoPro video is in darkness, but you should be able to see
hopefully some
fireballs there.
Some sweet little fireballs. I wasn't expecting quite that.
Yeah.
That thing is awesome looking.
That thing is cool.
I love that.
Man, guys, I gotta say right now, go buy a little Predator 224.
Yeah.
That thing is, put your little horn on it.
Put your little horn on that thing, it's got to fly.
I know you got one in the attic.
Everybody's got a trumpet.
I know you got a trumpet in the attic. Go get you one.
They know somebody that's got a
Go to the pawn shop, get you one that someone that just needed to get rid of.
One more time for fun.
Thing is rowdy.
People on the internet would have said that was dangerous.
Yes.
But I enjoyed it.
that was so rowdy. That was beautiful. I love it.
She bad.
Oh man. What is it going on, Steven?
Going on a little go-kart.
We're going
Marauder.
We're gonna put it on that.
Murder.
If you've been following the E2 build, this is we've come to after many hours of looking, and we don't think it's going to work that well for it, but we have decided to go a different route.
It'll work one day when the batteries are bad on it.
Yeah.
By that time, I'll have it together.
But we'll figure it out. We're figuring it out. But in the meantime, before we get them strapped together, that little motor's going to replace that thing. Is worn out.
Yeah, old tired replacement.
She wore out.
Yeah, it ain't got the kind of thump that the trumpeter has.
That thing is bad.
She cool.
That thing is bad.
Yeah. So, on the next episode, we'll slap this thing on the go-kart.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
All right. That was a horny exhaust mod by Xhausted.
Yeah.
Team.
That's Steven. I'm Brandon.
Peace out.
Y'all have a good one. Later.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone?